respected parents and my dear students. I am Geeta Krishna, newly appointed as a principal to Geeta Group of Institutions to Tufram branch, and I would like to thank you very much everyone and congratulate all the students, particularly 10th class students. I wish you all the best for your common examinations. I hope that you are preparing very well and you are also attending the online classes and observing, listening them carefully. If you have any doubts, you can call your teachers at any time without any doubt. And after that, within 2-3 days, we are going to start 9th class online classes. And after that, within 1 week, we are going to start from 6th to 8th classes, also online classes. And these online classes are mainly because of the corona effect, which is called as COVID-19. And as we are all locked down in our houses, in our respective places, our responsibility is to obey the rules and restrictions imposed by the governments. These are only for our security purpose only. Be safe, stay at home and be safe, my dears. One more thing, we know very well our academic year maybe little bit starts very late as the lockdown has extended up to May 7th. And after that, meanwhile, the schedule of the reopening of the schools and everything, we will inform you and we will be in touch with you by the phones as well as through the WhatsApp messages in the WhatsApp groups also. We are creating the WhatsApp groups to the students and we are sending also the revision schedule to the students. My dears, it is not the preparation up to 9th class. What I want to say, you are not preparing for the exams, you are preparing for the life. You have to develop your concepts because concepts are very, very important. Fundamentals are very important. We never ignore them, we never neglect them. And many students, they have the bad idea that only we have to prepare for the exams, not that. We have to develop our subject. Practice makes everyone perfect. That's why, my dears, be in touch with your subjects by attending the online classes, by approaching the teachers, asking their doubts, even by sitting at home. You can call your teachers whenever you have any doubt. And one more important thing, my dears, you try to develop your handwriting skills also, because handwriting is the index of the face. So it is very, very important to improve your handwriting. Try to communicate with your parents, with your friends in English. As you are in the English medium, it is very important to develop the English language. So, my dears, what I want to say to you is be safe and be in touch with your subjects always. Don't prepare in the mode of the examinations. Prepare for the continuity of the subjects, for the development of the subjects, for the development of the fundamentals, for the development of the basic knowledge. As we are in the CC pattern, you know very well what is mean by CC pattern. Continuous comprehensive evaluation. In Telugu we can say Nirantar Samagra Mulyankana. That's why continuously, yani Nirantaram, we have to practice. We should be in touch. That's why, my dears, be safe and have a nice day. God bless you all.